I don't usually go out this late at night to the place where the animals go, but baby, I'm here and I'm watching you. There's just one thing you should know.
Good morning everyone, welcome to another video. Today we're in Tooting. This is where we're gonna stay. We're gonna stay somewhere around here. This is near our neighborhood. I really love Tooting, by the way. There's a lot of halal food here, like almost all the food here is halal, and there's a huge like Muslim population here. Maybe we're gonna check out the wet market and also get some food because we have to have breakfast, and then we're gonna take you to Ikea as well because we have to buy some furniture. So yeah. Okay, we're gonna head to Tooting market because there's Chinese food there that's halal. Let's go. So that's a panda noodle bar. Hai, dari Malaysia. Orang mana?
Orang mana? Halal, halal.
Halal. Oh, boleh cuba?
Ya, boleh cuba. Dari mana? No, Philippines.
Apa namanya? What do you say things in Philippines?
Mabuhay.
Mabuhay.
Wow, it's so good.
Yeah. Only 5 pounds you can mix everything.
5 pounds mix everything. Wow.
Chicken.
Oh, just now the breakfast was so amazing. It tastes really like Malaysia. Tastes like Chinese food that my grandma used to make. Wow, so good. So thankful that there's a halal place that serves that in London. And by the way, behind me that's the masjid. Huge, and there's just so many people here. Like they have to have 2 Jumu'ah because even though the masjid is so big, they cannot contain the amount of Muslims here. So it's like, wow, mashallah. It's really bright and sunny today, and that's not really a common sight in London because it's usually grey and it rains all the time. And you can really see the change in mood when it's bright and sunny. Usually British people are very happy and they are more outgoing. Like you see a lot of people on the streets today because the weather is just perfect. But when it's rainy, yeah, you hardly see anyone outside. We're using City Mapper to see which bus we need to take to go to Ikea. It's a really useful app because
It shows you whether you want to take a bus, you want to walk, or you want to take a combination of that and the tube or the train. It shows you also the map where you need to go to, as well as the upcoming buses that are coming, and then the stops, how many stops you need and where you need to get off to.
Look.
So it's very good.
Buses here are also efficient, so you can see it from the City Mapper, and it's accurate right down to the minute. So yeah, you can really use that for your main transportation. You don't need Uber or Grab anymore. This is a very important card. This is the Oyster card. We got the travel card for £150 a month. This gets you from zone 1 to 3 for free.
Mitcham Fair Green.
Bye, bus.
But baby, I'm here and I'm watching you move. There's just one thing you should.
Behold, a Malaysian car. Proton Gen 2. One thing that we realized that we like about London is that every single part of town is so different. Like, you will never get bored over here.
It's so unique in its own way. It has a lot of things that are interesting to explore. It will be our task here when we finally settle to explore different parts of London.
That 2 chimneys apparently marks Ikea. Woohoo! We are here! Time to shop! Okay, it's just Ikea, so we're not gonna vlog too much, so it's gonna be fast. Whoa! 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 Alright, bag is full. It's time to go. This actually has a very bad meaning in Chinese. Not gonna translate it. They say bata equals to buy and throw away, but for this one, it's after you buy, you need to throw it fast. No. Okay, 2 bags of stuff. It's time to head home.
Three hours later.
Just now we went back home and then we showered. We had a short nap because we were quite tired, and then now we are back out again. We're walking towards Big Ben. The weather changed a lot, like really. Look at, just now it was so blue, but right now it's so cloudy. But we're gonna take one picture here for my company, and then that's it. We're gonna meet up with some friends after that for dinner.
Girl, you are my fire, all my true desire. Swear I'm not a liar, you should dance with me. You should get to know me, kick it with the homies. Let go of your worries, you should dance with me.
Right, so this is Big Ben. Unfortunately, it's still under renovation or construction. So it's like that. It's incomplete, technically, but it's still amazing as ever. And the weather is slightly cloudy, so unfortunately we don't get a good picture from here. But it's okay. Now heading to the London Underground, and we're gonna head to High Holborn. And we're at Hiba. This is a Palestinian and Lebanese restaurant. So yeah, let's go inside and check it out. Assalamualaikum, brother. How are you?
Alhamdulillah.
Long time no see. Finally.
Yeah, selamat datang.
Yes, selamat datang. Oh, the food is here. Lamb cubes. Oh my god. Oh man. With rice. Garlic sauce. Oh, this is very important. And that's mixed grill with rice.
With Lebanese rice.
Oh, and by the way, Sultan has been staying here for how many years?
For 2.5 years now.
Ah, and we used to work together. And he's the boss. He's the boss. Oh my god, guys, check out how long that Hummer is. That's the longest Hummer in the world. Oh my god.
I saw
Freaking hell.
one similar to this earlier,
Uh-huh.
and it was for wedding, you know. They had a wedding, yeah. It's like
Oh,
wedding.
you can actually rent that, right?
yeah, for bachelor parties.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, it might be the end of the day. So we're gonna say goodbye to Abdullahi and Sultan. We didn't get to say hi to Abdullahi. Abdullahi stay here, but he's gonna get his permanent residency.
Don't expose me. Don't expose me.
Okay. No, cut it out.
Expose me.
And he's wanted to Somalia.
Yeah, exactly. Most wanted guy in Somalia. Don't put me on YouTube.
So mashallah, thank you so much for spending the time with us, guys. Don't forget us.
Don't forget us.
Bye bye. Oh, just now the food was so amazing. Definitely highly recommended for you guys to try Hiba Express. Now we're back to square one where we started today. I guess this is the end of the video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you dislike the video, give it a thumbs down. And as always, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget me.